What's up, guys? My name is Daniel Lee. I'm from El Paso, Texas. I work out here in Odessa. It's technically Monahans, but it's right in between Monahans and Odessa. I've been out here for over a year and a half working. It's similar to the oil field because we provide the oil field with sand. They frack and they dump the sand into their trucks. There's a sand truck right there. We're a sand mine. We dig for sand, we clean it. They buy the sand from us. We sell it to them. They pump it in their oil wells. Money flows. Wherever the energy goes, money flows, right? So I do a week on, week off. It's hard being away from your family for an entire week. You know, and then I come over here for a week. I don't get overtime. The pay rate was pretty good. It was $21, $25 an hour, but very minimal overtime. So I was making about $500 a week. Some on my good paychecks, I was making $800 a week, and my bills were just exceeding. They were over exceeding what I made. Like my bills are like $3,000 something, and I was bringing take home like $2,700 or something like that. And it's caused me having so many bills and not being able to pay them has caused so many problems at home. And I was always told to follow your dream, and my dream is to own my own business and sell online. I mean, what I'm doing is probably irresponsible. The fear is what keeps people from staying at a job and not doing what they love, and I'm scared that I'm not going to be able to provide for my family. But I went with my gut instinct and I quit. It's real hard to just quit your job. I have a 6-month-old daughter, so I have a lot on the line. I have bills, I have 2 car payments, I have bill payments for the house, I have loans. So let's see how this goes. I'm leaving Odessa right now as we speak. The oil field's right there. Sorry if I'm talking a little choppy. A little emotional from it all. But I know God is good, and I got a plan to take out one more loan of $1,000. Well, 2 more loans, so it's like $2,000 right there. And I want to go to a store closing and buy out as much stuff as I can, sell it on Amazon and eBay, and let's see how that goes. All right, guys, this is Inventory Lab. This is the accounting software / Amazon software that I use to list my products and keep track of what I make on Amazon. As you can see, the first month I made $513 in profit, and then October I made $1,341. November I made $2,130 in profit, and the fourth quarter, which is Q4, December, the busiest time of the year, I made $4,811. So this is right after I quit my job. I put all my energy into it. I knew if I put my energy into what I love that I could really be successful at it. And you can see the graph, it's trending upward. So I haven't stopped. I'm still selling on Amazon. I do eBay on the side, but most of my energy is consumed by Amazon, and it shows in the numbers. All right, these are the eBay numbers. I sold $7,817 in that same amount of time. That's my gross sales. So I then subtracted my eBay and PayPal fees, which is 13%. I was left with $6,800, and I took a buy cost of $1,775, subtracted that. I was left with $5,025. And shipping, I'm not too good with the numbers with the PayPal, but I put $1,000, and if I take away $1,000, it shows that I grossed about $4,000. So anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000 profit. I don't have the exact numbers. I'm pretty new at using the tools for reports on PayPal, but yeah, that's what I got. The best part about being your own boss is you get to be with your baby. You get to raise your babies all day, every day. Hi, baby girl. Hey guys, Daniel here. So that day I was really emotional. I didn't know what I had just done, but it felt right and wrong at the same time. I felt like I was gonna let my family down, but I knew that if I put my energy into something I love, that I could be really successful and my family could we could all thrive from it and thrive from my success. And if I'm successful, everybody's successful in my circle. And I love my daughter, I love my wife, and I just wanted to provide for them better than what I was doing. I know a oil field job, working in the oil field is a good job for a lot of people. It was really good for the first year since I made a lot of money with the overtime, but the second year I stopped making overtime. And I had got accustomed to living the not a lavish life, but a life with two cars, and being able to pay it really easy and being able to go on trips. But once that was done, it was back to living the same way, and I had to come up with a way to keep up with the Joneses. And my way of doing that was to sell on Amazon FBA. I do recommend Amazon FBA. A lot of people are a little scared of doing it and they don't understand how it works. But basically what it is I go to stores around the city. Um, I find products that are on clearance. I find products that are discounted, and I check their rank on Amazon to see how well they're selling. Basically, if it has a rank of 1, that means it's a great seller. If it has a rank of, let's say, 100,000, it's not as good. Closer to 1 is the best, rank number 1 in its category. And I do that. If it shows me that it's gonna make a profit on Amazon, I send the products in, and at the end of the day, I cash out. Now I've been doing Amazon for over 4 months. I got payability like 3 months, no, a month or two ago, and I get paid out every day. So every day I wake up, it says customer success, and I have money in my account. So this is a very doable thing, especially if you want to work from home and be with your family, or say you just can't find a job in the city you live in. Like, say you can't find a job in El Paso, Texas, you could always try selling on eBay. That's how I started 4 years ago, just as a side hustle. And now look what my side hustle has turned into. It's turned into a full-time thing. So, if you want to make money, you just got to be willing to, sacrifice and be willing to go out there and get what you want. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like it, just if you could comment, subscribe, put a dislike, a like, and or share this video. Maybe somebody wants to get to selling. I could always help them. Just tell them to contact me, and I could always show you how to sell on eBay or Amazon. All right, thanks guys, take care.